Hi everyone, today we're gonna run very fast through the prototype that just arrived. We made a design for this unit from basically concepts through engineering stage and now prototyping, and next month we're gonna be manufacturing. So everything is almost ready for the final production. So when you order the prototype with us, no matter if we did design for you or not, we can also provide different type of prototyping, starting from 3D printing, urethane casting, CNC machining, and all that. In this case, we have a small device. This is the plastic enclosure with some metal components, and you're going to be able to see how that come out. So here we have a box, right? All the components, they come labeled, as you can see. So all of these components come labeled, and the whole assembly of this unit you're going to be able to see in our other video. So it will be assembling from the beginning to the end. So everything comes labeled, ready, and here in the front of us we also have a manufacturing list, let's say the bill of material list that we follow for the assembly. So here we have different components. As I said again, everything comes labeled, which makes our life so much easier. And as you can see here, this is the enclosure that came out perfectly. This was done with 3D printing. I believe it's SLS technology. So you can see the enclosure, everything fits really nice. In the next video, you're going to be able to see how this is all being assembled and how it looks in the end. Thank you for watching.